Not it's a criticism, it is a critical assessment for improvement, because Karma Yogi has to bring the change and all. Accessibility is a big problem. I hail from state of Kerala, where I knock and enter into Mr. Uman Chandi's room. I don't wait for more than 5 minutes. It is not for me as Michael. It is average for everyone. This is what is the accessibility. Today, to access a collector, to access a secretary, I think secretary to Government of India, my access goes up to the PA. That's all. I think what you call Pujari allows me or not allows me, it's a question mark. I never got access beyond the Pujari of the PA. That is a fact. So this is what I think Karma Yogi scenario. I think if it could bring it, that's great. Now, you send a letter, you send your suggestions, very good. For example, educational policy, it gave such a great 2 lakh people gave it and all, good enough. But when you give a letter, the maximum you get from the PMO office, including the PMO office, is an acknowledgement. That's all. Beyond that, sir, please look into that. If the Karma Yogi scheme can bring into that, that's what I said it and all. Now coming to this is, I mean, in terms of, I think in terms of what we have to look into that, how many times a person with a petition has to come into the office? I, as a collector, it shook me if a petitioner comes twice or thrice. I feel very small a bit before him and all. I think if that sort of sensitivity is what we have to look into, what we have to bring it to, I feel the sensitivity is like, we are highly qualified. There cannot be more competent exam like the UPSC, one of the toughest. But what for? Final result, I say, is there a corruption-free district? A district can, one district collector say, yes, in my district, there is no corruption. The last point, as a Karma Yogi scheme, I think the resources utility. The resources utility is, for example, I will say the national highways, the big highways, the amount that the common man, when you walk in, you say, is it this elevated road is needed? You could have laid the road, but you could have put a smaller underwind and all. I think the resource utilization of this poor country is there's a lot of waste. We cannot afford to waste the resources and all.